Hi, in this video we'll take a look at how you can replace the faulty light bulb from a Sharp microwave oven. So the first thing you should do is to switch off the power and unplug it completely. If you want to be really safe, you can leave the microwave sit without power for 24 hours. Now inside the microwave, take notice of where the light bulb is. This will help you easily locate where it is. Now with this particular microwave, the light bulb is just up here. So it's right next to this display board up here. Okay, so I have taken the microwave out to make it easy to replace the light bulb. And once you pop this cover open, do not touch anything except the light bulbs. The capacitor can hold charge and it is not safe to touch anything else except the light bulb. On the Sharp microwave, there are screws on the side here we need to take out. And there are some at the back, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So take out these 4 screws. Now you can see the 4 screws are now removed. So now we need just to drag this cover back so they don't just come off by itself. You need to actually drag it out, as you can see right here. So just drag out like that. So here we're just gonna drag it out and it come off. Now you do not need to pull it all the way out, just enough so that you can locate the light bulbs. As you can see right there, that light bulb is blown off. So there is a screw right here that we need to unscrew it and then take out the light bulb. This is a 25 watts, as you can see right here. Try to zoom in so you can see what light bulbs you need to get. It's a 25 watts light bulbs that you need to get. And then just remove these 2 cables here and then put a new one in. Okay, now I'll put this screw back, 1 on the side and 4 at the back. So make sure they are all properly put in place and secure the cover. Now you can put your microwave back in place, plug in the power cables, and then turn on and see if the light works or not. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.